Get it right. Make sure the named insured on your workers' compensation policy is correct. Hi, I'm Randy Seberg, and welcome to another edition of Workers' Comp Consultants Video Network. Today we're going to talk about the importance of using the correct business name or entity on your workers' compensation policy. There are four basic forms of business ownership, otherwise known as entities. They are sole proprietors, partnerships, corporations, and LLCs. And while other organizational forms exist and are just as important, these are the most common ones that insurance agents, insurance companies, and their clients deal with more frequently. We'll have more about the individual entities and how they affect a workers' comp policy in another edition. A workers' compensation policy is a contract. It's a contract between the insurance company issuing the policy and providing protection and the business organization, entity, or named insured purchasing the policy. Terms and conditions found within the policy provisions dictate for who and how the policy will respond with coverage. Here are some of the problems you may run into when incorrect entities are used on a workers' comp policy. Coverage and premium issues are two types of problems that exist when incorrect business entities are used on a workers' comp policy. Denial of coverage is a primary issue. It's a simple concept. As an example, if I conduct my business as a sole proprietor and my name is John Doe, then the named insured on my policy should be John Doe. If I conduct my business as a corporation named XYZ Inc., then the named insured on my policy should be XYZ Inc. The problem comes when my business is a corporation called XYZ Inc. and the named insured on my policy is shown as John Doe. In this situation, the policy will cover John Doe, not XYZ Inc. So when a claim for injury is made by an employee of XYZ Inc., there will be no coverage. And you better believe that an insurance company will quickly deny a claim when the claim's against an entity that's not listed as a named insured on the policy. Premium issues are another problem. You'll find that entities are treated differently when it comes to the rating or pricing of a workers' comp policy. Sole proprietors and partners are different than corporate officers, and corporate officers are treated differently than LLC members. A different rating base may be used for each different type of entity depending on your individual state's specific rules and guidelines. The use of an improper entity may generate additional unexpected premium when discovered and corrected by an insurance company. Here are some factors that may contribute to entity errors on workers' comp policies. A few common causes for entity errors on a workers' comp policy include a general lack of understanding on the insurance agent's part about the named insured provisions in the workers' comp policy, or a poor understanding of their client's business organizational structure. Another cause may be poor communication between the insurance agent and their client purchasing the policy, or incorrect information provided to the agent by their client, and a general lack of verification. Even poor understanding and oversight of entity functions by insurance company underwriters contribute to the problem. Organizational structures can be complicated. There can be multiple business entities under the same ownership umbrella, and sorting these out and correctly showing them on a policy can be very difficult. It's basic, but important. This is an area that's often overlooked by insurance agents, their clients, and insurance company underwriters. And it's an area that can cause serious problems if not handled properly. So learn more about business entities and how they can affect workers' compensation policies at our website, workcompconsultant.com. And thanks for watching.